Number 1. The corpse pose. This effective yoga pose will help you feel relaxed and rejuvenated as it emphasizes on total relaxation by putting the body at ease. The rested state quietens your nervous system, helps to lower blood pressure, and slows down the breathing. Lie down with your back on the floor. Place your arms by your side, with palms facing upwards. Place your legs a few inches apart. Close your eyes and breathe deeply as you pay attention to each body part. Stay in the position for 4 to 5 minutes. Number 2. Bridge pose. This yoga pose not only helps in dealing with fatigue and anxiety, but is also great for battling headaches, backaches, insomnia, and more. Lie on your back with arms tucked on each side and knees bent at hip width apart. Inhaling, stretch your arms towards your feet and lift your hips as you roll your spine. Try lifting yourself higher by pressing your shoulders and arms. Stay in the pose for 4 to 6 breaths, and then while exhaling, place your back on the floor. Number 3. Child pose. This pose is very beneficial in calming the mind, easing any kind of stress, and is also great for your lymphatic and nervous system. Sit with your knees kneeled on a yoga mat as you keep your weight on your heels. Slowly bend forward as you place your chest on your knees and your head on the ground. Hands tucked on the sides and palms facing up. Stay in the pose for up to 4 to 5 breaths. Number 4. Standing forward pose. Highly effective in stretching thighs, hips, and hamstring muscles. The standing forward pose is also very fruitful in combating fatigue, stress, and even symptoms of mild depression. Stand with your feet hip width apart. Exhaling, bend forward as you press your head against your knees, and you place your palms flat on the ground. Hold the pose up to 5 to 6 breaths. Release the pose while inhaling as you come back to the standing position.